Welcome to my channel Luxury Car001. Today we are going to talk about something that feels almost unbelievable. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026. Yes, you heard that right. Rolls-Royce, the brand that has long stood as the pinnacle of automotive luxury, elegance, and prestige, has entered the world of motorhomes with the vehicle that redefines the meaning of ultimate travel. Imagine taking the unmatched craftsmanship of a Rolls-Royce and blending it with the comfort of a five-star hotel on wheels. That is exactly what the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 promises to deliver. From the very first glance, this motorhome looks extraordinary. The design language stays true to Rolls-Royce's timeless elegance, with its bold presence, signature grille, and sleek lines that flow like a luxury yacht. The exterior incorporates cutting-edge aerodynamics while maintaining that commanding stature we all associate with the brand. Gleaming chrome accents, coach-style doors, and ultra-modern LED lighting elements elevate its road presence to a whole new level. This isn't just a vehicle you drive, it's a moving piece of art designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 makes you feel like you've entered a floating palace. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leathers, handcrafted wood veneers, and crystal details. Rolls-Royce is known for going above and beyond in personalizing interiors, and this motorhome takes that tradition even further. Buyers can commission bespoke layouts, exotic materials, and unique design themes to truly reflect their lifestyle. Plush seating, ambient lighting that mimics natural skies, and seamlessly integrated technology create an atmosphere of absolute serenity. One of the most stunning features inside is the lounge and living space. Unlike traditional motorhomes, the Rolls-Royce design philosophy has eliminated any sense of compromise. You will find a spacious lounge area with handcrafted furniture, a fully equipped kitchen with luxury appliances, and a dining setup that rivals high-end restaurants. Every corner is designed with sophistication in mind, from the marble countertops to the custom-made fixtures. When it comes to comfort, the master bedroom feels more like a private luxury suite. A king-sized bed with Rolls-Royce's bespoke bedding, noise-canceling insulation, and ambient lighting create the perfect environment for rest. The ensuite bathroom is another highlight, fitted with rainfall showers, designer fittings, and finishes that look like they came straight out of a luxury spa. It's hard to believe that all of this exists within a vehicle, but Rolls-Royce has made it a reality. Technology plays a major role in this motorhome as well. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 comes equipped with a fully connected smart system. Voice-activated controls allow passengers to manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and even window opacity with ease. The entertainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring massive OLED displays, immersive sound systems, and seamless internet connectivity for those who want to work or relax while on the move. Under the hood, Rolls-Royce hasn't compromised either. The motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain that combines effortless performance with sustainability. Whisper-quiet operation, smooth acceleration, and a range that ensures long-distance journeys without concern make it one of the most refined motorhomes ever built. The advanced suspension system guarantees that no matter what terrain you're driving on, the ride feels as smooth as gliding on air. Of course, luxury like this comes with exclusivity. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is not going to be mass-produced. Each unit will be built to order, tailored to the buyer's exact specifications. That means every single motorhome will be unique, a true expression of the owner's vision of luxury. The price tag. While Rolls-Royce hasn't revealed official numbers, it's expected to be one of the most expensive motorhomes in the world, likely reaching several $1 million. But for those who can afford it, the value lies in owning something no other brand can offer. This vehicle isn't just transportation, it's a statement of lifestyle, of freedom without sacrificing elegance, and of experiencing the road in the most opulent way imaginable. With the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026, the brand has extended its reputation beyond cars and into the realm of ultimate travel experiences. So, What do you think about the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026? Would you call it the future of luxury travel, or is it simply an extravagant dream? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates about the most luxurious vehicles in the world. Thank you for watching, and welcome once again to Luxury Car 001.